I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the PUBG gameplay art test in the Mi11 device, which is the Snapdragon 888 processor. Yes friends, I do have the Mi11 with the Snapdragon 888. Let's check how is the PUBG APK 1.5 version, what type of graphics settings we can actually get in the Atmos top processor right now. That is what I'm going to do the video on this particular phone, because just yesterday I did upload plenty of videos on other smartphones, Realme X1 Max, iQOO 7 and Mi11 X device. But one question a few of the users did ask me that can you please make a video on the Snapdragon 888 smartphone. Just want to see what kind of settings the Snapdragon 888 will be there. That is the reason I thought of making a video on this particular topic. So on this Mi11 device, which I do have. So let's see if in Snapdragon 888 processor, how will the PUBG version 1.5 will be handled. So in case if you want to know more details about other videos, make sure to check all the videos which I uploaded just yesterday. So many videos friends on this PUBG, mainly because of this new version. Few of the phones did get really good advantage as well, and few phones remain the same way around. So this, you can see the PUBG version as well. Let me show you PUBG version 1.5.0. As you can see, this is the exact APK which I'm trying to use. So this is not using any kind of GFX tool, nothing at all. That is the reason I'm trying to show you from the beginning. So without using any kind of mod or no GFX tool, nothing. So let's see what kind of actual graphics you can actually get in the Mi11 device with the Snapdragon 888 chipset. So even I am very interested to see, because the phone has got 120Hz, so quad HD display friends, 120Hz. That's another fantastic. I did turn on the 120Hz anyway, and is the real-time FPS meter. In case if you want, you can take a look at this real-time FPS meter as well. So let's see, the things will get really interesting. So it's taking just a little bit kind of more time than usual. So let's see what will happen. And it's kind of close to end, so it should not take that much more time. So right now friends, the game successfully got loading, and let's see and the new features which everything got mentioned here. So we'll try to skip everything and let's go to the direct settings. Let's see what type of graphics gameplay we are getting actually in this Snapdragon 888 processor, which I'm definitely interested to see. Settings, and let's go to graphics and let's see 90 FPS whether we got or not. Yes, absolutely friends. Wow, that's fantastic. I didn't knew it friends. Absolutely, that's really great. So 90 FPS option we do have in this Mi11 device right now with the Snapdragon 888 processor. That's fantastic friends. I think it's going to be really epic. So let me know to use the real-time FPS meter. As you can see friends, right now you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter on the top, which I'm getting exactly 90 FPS without any problem. Perfect friends in the Mi11 device with the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is fantastic to play this kind of high graphics settings. I would say it's very smooth. It's like really very smooth, I would say. Wow, and it feels really very smooth in the Mi11 device particularly, which is really incredible playing in this phone as well. It's my first time playing this in this way, in really smooth way. And the Snapdragon 888 processor is fantastic friends. So it's really very good. So as you can see, 83, 92 FPS consistently I'm trying to get, which is really great. It's fantastic, as I said. And the haptic feedbacks I'm not getting anyway in the 4D vibrations. That's another one biggest problem. So there's no haptic feedback, which lack of not having haptic feedback is also another slight disadvantage, I would say. And you do get plenty of other options along with the game as well. That's from the MI. That's really great. So finally friends, we are able to play the 90 FPS in the Mi11 device with the Snapdragon 888 chipset. That's amazing. Let me try to use a normal classic match and try to play that normal classic. Let's see what will happen with the normal classic matches. How much FPS will it be there when I'm trying to drop. This is my first drop test. Let me try to do. So let's see while I am dropping how much the FPS count will be remaining, around 90 or 80. That is what I'm going to check. So make sure to comment below, friends, and hopefully the Snapdragon processor also should get this kind of update. Snapdragon 870 chipset, that is what I was expecting, but Snapdragon 870 chipset didn't get this kind of 90 FPS update. That's some kind of disadvantage, I would say, but because right now there is only Snapdragon 873 phones actually they are there, Snapdragon Mi11, iQOO 7 and the OnePlus Nord. So hopefully they should get very soon. And right now let's see how much the FPS drop will be there when I'm trying to drop exactly maybe in this Pochinki. That is what most of the users that it recommend me to drop. You can see, friends, 90 FPS. It's really good to see. So when you do get the top game turbo as well. So anyway, the game turbo, it definitely interrupts this kind of gameplay, but this one, it's kind of really good to have this kind of real-time FPS statistics, which will change time to time. Let's see, friends, how much the frame drops will be there during this time of testing. So this is one small game which I'll try to drop, and I'll just try to end up this video not making it so long. I just want to see how much the frame drops will it be there during the drops. So right now 87. Try to observe the top one, not the bottom one. Top one is the actual FPS. So 84. So this is a Snapdragon 888 processor. 88. 86, 70 FPS, as you can see, 70 FPS, it came down to 70 as well. So 79, the lowest I've seen is a 70 FPS so far. That is the lowest I've seen. 75 as well. So 70 FPS is the lowest one I did see, friends. 70, 79, lowest FPS, that is what I did see. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a basic gameplay and graphics settings which I thought of just showing you, so you'll have a clear idea about the Snapdragon 888 processor as well. I hope the Snapdragon 888 other chipsets also might get this kind of update. That is what I was expecting. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and until then, bye.